If you need to connect SurveyMonkey with Microsoft Power BI, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is a useful setup if you want to bring survey data into Power BI for reporting, dashboards, and deeper analysis. Before we begin, if this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main SurveyMonkey page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps your account and app integration settings. From the menu that appears, click on Apps and Integrations. This section lets you connect SurveyMonkey with other tools and services, including Microsoft Power BI. Once the apps page loads, search for or select Microsoft Power BI from the available integration options. After you open the Microsoft Power BI integration page, click Install. SurveyMonkey will begin the setup process and show you the connection options for the app. This is the point where you link the two platforms so your survey data can be used inside Power BI. Now, one important thing to note is that SurveyMonkey may ask you to upgrade your plan before you can continue. If that happens, it means the Power BI integration is tied to a paid feature or plan level. So if you see an upgrade prompt, review the available options and decide whether you want to proceed with the plan that supports this integration. Once the integration is installed and your plan supports it, you can continue with the connection flow and start preparing your survey data for Power BI use. After that, you'll be able to work with your SurveyMonkey responses inside your reporting workflow and build charts, visuals, and dashboards based on the survey results. This is a great way to combine survey collection with business intelligence, especially if you want to track feedback, measure customer satisfaction, or analyze results across different groups. Instead of manually exporting data every time, connecting SurveyMonkey with Power BI helps streamline the process. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.